Hi everybody, this is just a short screencast of how to navigate the Washington State Logic Model for Science Professional Development Wiki. And what you're seeing right now is the home page. And what I would ask you to do right now, if you're not familiar with how to use a wiki or what a wiki could be used for, I would stop this video clip and immediately go to the one that I'm circling with my cursor here from Common Craft. It's just a short clip that explains how a wiki can be used to collaborate. So I'm assuming that you've already viewed that or are familiar with it. So some of the buttons that you'll need to know to feel successful with this wiki and other wikis are right here, this pencil that I'll actually show you in another video clip. That's how you edit and make changes to the wiki, and right now this is set so that anybody could make changes and add things, take things away. So we'll revisit that. Another thing to know about is this discussion button right here, and we'll revisit that later too, but that's where we can have a threaded discussion about the wiki or about things that are on the wiki, so that will be a useful site for us, hopefully. On the right side are some useful things. There is a search tool so that you could search the wiki once we have it populated. And then there are pages built within the wiki, and I've set those pages up so that they match the box 3 of the logic model. So if you click on the one that says box 3 effective science learning experiences, we go to a page that looks similar, right? So we have an image here of box 3, which I'm sure will change once we get people's feedback, so we'll change that picture. That's easy to do. We have links to 3 resources that were used to kind of research the thinking in box 3. Alright, so this page could obviously be expanded, and I would assume that we would add to it. So let's return to our hyperlinks here on the right. The rest of these are just the bullets within box 3. At the time that you're first watching this screencast, the only one that really is going to be populated with much is the preconceptions and reasoning page. So I'm going to click on that. So this just gives you an idea of how one of these bullet pages could look. Okay, so we would have links to the research that go into us making sense and understanding that bullet. Possibly some video clips, so there's a link to a video clip that we couldn't embed. There's an embedded video clip that you can just play right here within the page. And then there are links to some other resources. And you can also see here some embedded Google books. So you can actually read, if you scroll this blue bar here, read part of these books through Google Books. So you don't have to leave this site to actually skim this book. And you can click more about this book and go to the actual Google Books site. So I'm going to go back to our blue hyperlinks here. So I'm going to go back home, which is where you would find this video clip, and I'm going to stop